Good day, friends. It is me, HL Mod Tech, and welcome to Tinker Hunt 25. Friends, it is a fun weekly Tinkercad scavenger hunt where you get to practice your navigation skills and find the 5 hidden objects, and if you get it successful, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. Friends, I am on my webpage, hlmodtech.com. If we go down here, you can see this is where Tinker Hunt 25 can be found. I will also have a link to this in the description of the video. So friends, here are the successful winners. We had Teosi G, Brandon, Lucas, Lily, Elsie, Ellie, Charlotte, Paige, Mallory, Jackson, Laura, Nathaniel, Juliana, Jackson M, and Ivan. 15 people all solved Tinker Hunt 24 successfully. Well done, and thank you all for participating. So friends, in the properties you can see I have got the description of the 5 items. There is a pumpkin, there is a rocket, Blanky with the Get Crackin' shirt, the HL Mod Tech Celebrating Kid, and the Unicorn Dude. They are all tiny and they're hidden all throughout the project. If you find them, you can post your solutions and I will give you the shout out in next week's video. Now you can post these on YouTube, you can post them in my Google Classroom if you're one of my students. You can also visit my website and use the sweet built-in messaging tool to give me a reply as well. Friends, when you're posting your solutions in my classroom, one at a time works like a champ. You can also post one at a time, which is Twitter, and we can work together to try and find them all. We also had an excellent solution on Facebook. I'm also looking forward to seeing participation from Reddit. The more places we're all having fun working on our Tinkercad navigation, the better. So friends, when you click on the link, it'll take you to this page. If you've never signed in before, choose sign in with Google. It is always cool to give a reaction, and then you simply choose copy and tinker. It takes a moment for it to load. While it's waiting, you can check out the notes. Notice this says, can you read Braille? If you click on these, check it out over here in the text. You can find what it was that the Braille said. Now remember, the project is to find those 5 creations. The way to work through this is to click on any item, hit the letter F, and it zooms in and you can look around. You can take any item and make it transparent so that you can see through it as you're trying to find all the hidden creatures. If you want to get back, you can hit home. I'm going to go inside the upstairs of this building and show you that these cool dressers, if we hit F to click on a dresser, they are movable. So you can use the arrow keys to move them. You can also delete them because I could have hid something in there as well. When you're clicking on items, you can do Control H to hide. You can bring everything back with the show all button. You can also hide them one at a time. Notice that one's gone because I deleted it. There is no problem with deleting stuff while you're in here though, because you are using a copy of my project instead of the original. If you ever mess up and lose your place, you can always just open it again so you have another copy of the fun project. If you want to switch your items back from being transparent, you can do that. When you're looking for house numbers, they are always on the front. There are also street signs, and if you want to just check the notes for how to solve it, you can find it there as well. Finally, friends, I want to mention also, you can check in here who was the winner of week 24 as you're trying to solve week 25. Real quickly, bonus shout out to Teosi G. Thank you for solving it in the YouTube comments as well. One other super quick note, if you find the notes are in your way, you can click on them and get rid of them in a heartbeat. Friends, I hope you have a ton of fun with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing all your solutions. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HL Mod Tech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a solution, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL Mod Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.